Hola, welcome to Las Recetas de mi Madre. Today I'm very excited. We have a wonderful program and it's all about baking. We are going to make a fish, Catalan style, on the oven in a clay pot. It's going to be wonderful. We are going to go to Barcelona and we are going to visit the Vilamala family. 4-generation tradition of making bread. Wonderful. We are going to visit their facilities back from the 1800s. We are going to visit also a couple little medieval towns in Catalunya. They are going to just break your heart just when you see them. And we are going to visit even a miniature exposition. There's a museum of miniatures. It's something really sensational. From dessert, we are going to have something that goes really well with the season. Something from the Dia de los Muertos, Catalan style. We'll talk a little bit about that. It's with almonds and it's something delicious. And get ready for cooking because Las Recetas starts now. So we are going to start today with the main dish, is the fish, okay? It's pescado al horno als pescadors. Al Pescadors is a restaurant in a very lovely town in the Mediterranean Sea in Spain. It's in La Scala, and this is the recipe, okay? What I have here is sea bass. You can use any kind of white firm fish, you know. In this economy, I use sea bass. You can use halibut if you want to, but I'm using this. And what we have is some tomatoes, an onion, some lemon, and we have here some parsley. It's about a couple tablespoons of chopped parsley. I have some rosemary, fresh rosemary. I have some thyme, ground thyme, and some marjoram also, all ground out, okay? And I have some 3 potatoes. First thing we are going to do is get the potatoes ready. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to peel the potatoes and I'm going to cut it in little thin slices of about 1/8 of an inch. So nothing, very simple. Take the potato, we are going to start peeling them. And while I do this, why don't we go back to Spain and visit the Vilamala family. They are making bread over there right now. Claro, por supuesto. Cuando yo me haga rico, aquí distribuyo a todo el mundo.
A ver si salimos por ahí, ¿no?
Sí, parece que sí.
Hasta ahora, aquí estamos haciendo croissant.
Esa panadería consta desde el año 1880 y a partir del año 1925 la compraron mis padres y mis abuelos y a partir de aquí empezaron a trabajar. Yo continué cuando fallecieron mis padres y a partir de aquí, pues ahora continúa mi hijo Jordi, o sea que estamos en la 4ª generación.
Una barrita de sí.
Un horno antiguo de los pocos que hay en Barcelona ya. Hay muy pocos, muy pocos. Es muy difícil de trabajar con ellos. La gente no quiere trabajar porque es un sacrificio. Pero la verdad es que la calidad del pan, no hay color.
más típico es, aparte, es el pan, evidentemente, para nosotros no es nuestra base, especialidad rústica, sobre todo pan de payés, que es un tipo de pan muy conocido aquí en Cataluña, y en parte de pastelería no es billetería fina, pero sí una crema, una coca de hojaldre con crema quemada, que es verdaderamente una de las especialidades importantes de la panadería.
That's what I want to do. I have the potatoes ready now. You see, they have very thin slices, you know. They're about an eighth of an inch or even thinner. That's why I like it. So I have here an oven-proof pan, and I'm going to do is I'm going to grease it a little bit and have a little bit of olive oil in the paper. I'm just going to grease it well. And I'm going to arrange the potatoes on there. So that's what I want to do. I want to put them on, you know, in one layer. I have the oven preheating to 350 degrees. And you want to create about 3 layers of potatoes. So that's what I mean. You see, I put the potato, the first layer is there. So I'm going to put a little bit of sea salt, just a pinch, and a little bit more of olive oil over. Not too much, but I just want to, you know, they get a little fry almost inside the oven. Yeah. And the next layer, potatoes. And the next layer. And a little bit more of salt. Potatoes needs quite a bit of salt, you know. And there we go. So now what I'm going to do is the tomatoes that I already washed before, you know. I just want to have 3 tomatoes, so ripe tomatoes, and I'm going to cut them in very little thin wedges, you know. I'm going to remove the heart. Alright, now the tomato is ready, and I'm going to put it on top of the potatoes. So we're going to arrange it on the potatoes, okay? Let's chop this thing. Okay, now that my tomato is ready, you know, and the potatoes, I'm gonna cover it and cover it tight with tin foil. You want it pretty tight, okay? And I'm gonna put it on the oven for about 45 minutes. Alright. Well, while the potatoes are getting ready, I think it's time to go back to Spain and visit a couple medieval towns. It's going to be wonderful.